Hey there, tech enthusiast. Welcome back to Tool Time Tech. Are you fascinated by AI but feel a bit lost because you don't know how to code? Well, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to harness the power of AI without writing a single line of code. First up, let's talk about AI platforms that do the heavy lifting for you. Ever heard of Teachable Machine by Google? It's a fantastic tool where you can train your own machine learning models just by uploading images, no coding required, simply drag and drop your images, label them, and voila. You've got yourself an AI that can recognize objects. It's that simple. Next we have Lobe by Microsoft. This tool is a game changer. It's designed for beginners and literally guides you through the whole process. You can create custom AI models for image classification, and it's all visually driven. Just import your images, label them, and train your model with a few clicks. Lobe even allows you to export your model to use in your own applications. But hey, what if you want to dive into text-based AI? Meet Hugging Face. It's an incredible platform where you can use pre-trained models for natural language processing. For those of you who want to build a chatbot or a text analyzer, Hugging Face has got your back. Just find a pre-trained model that suits your needs and deploy it. That's it. Now let's move on to AI for video editing. Have you heard of Magisto? This AI-powered video editor makes creating professional-looking videos a breeze. Just upload your clips, choose a style, and let Magisto do its magic. The AI analyzes your footage, selects the best parts, and puts together an awesome video. Perfect for content creators who want to save time. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize that these tools are just the beginning. The world of AI is vast and constantly evolving, so don't be afraid to experiment and explore new platforms. The more you play around, the more you'll learn and grow. And there you have it. A beginner's guide to building with AI without any coding skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Got any questions or want to share your experience? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Tool Time Tech.